of the most satisfying things about practicing law is the ability to make a change for the good. I represented a young Hispanic man, a father and a husband, who was involved in an accident with an 18-wheeler from a large company. They tried to not pay him. They tried to blame him for the accident. We filed the lawsuit and we pushed hard. We found out that the other driver had done the exact same thing that he did in our case that caused the accident only 11 days before. They kept him on. And that he'd been involved in 4 other accidents in the less than a month and a half that he'd worked for this company. We also found that he had, when he'd taken his truck driver training courses, that it was recommended that he not be able to ever drive a truck. But he still passed the state license and got a truck driving license. When we presented all this information to the company, again, they tried to then blame the driver and say, well, we didn't have anything to do with that. Only the driver did. We found out that the driver had been encouraged and had violated the hours of service regulation, and that they had hidden the documents, in fact, destroyed GPS documents to try to hide their guilt. By the end of the case, the director of transportation for the company, the one who was in charge of the hiring of the drivers and making sure the drivers were well qualified, came to us in the mediation and said, we understand, we get the point. We're going to settle this case with you. We're going to give you full value of the case. And more importantly, we're going to change what we do here at this company. We're not ever going to hire drivers like this again. We're going to keep up with these, with the people in our company that try to hide documents and to destroy evidence. And we're going to get rid of them. And we're going to report back to you how that works. That was one of the most satisfying things in representing clients, knowing that not only did we get full value for the harms and losses of this client, but that we changed a large trucking company to start behaving like they're supposed to behave, that they're providing the safety regulations or following the safety regulations and the safety standards that they should change.